When I lived in Wigan, I used to do a lot of night school. I did it for many years, and one of the first ones I ever did was healthy cooking. I went with my best friend Jane, and we went there for quite a while. And this recipe is a healthy recipe, and it's chicken, leek and sweet potato pie. It's that old, it's on my iPod that's broke, and it's from 2012. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a cheese sauce. Now, if you ever watch any cooking programs, it tells you to make a bechamel sauce, and you've got to melt your butter, add your flour, and then slowly add your milk till it comes smooth. Nah, I don't do that. Just throw it all in the pan. The butter, the flour, the water. Keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And then that's when you get your nice velvety bechamel sauce. Now I'm going to make a cheese sauce. So here I've got some Stilton. You don't have to use Stilton. I'm using it because it was in the freezer. So I freeze all my cheese, chop it up into small pieces and just lift it out as I need it. And it's not getting any waste. So I'm going to add that into my sauce. And then I've turned the heat off because you don't need it boiling by now. And I'm just going to mix it all up till the cheese has melted. There's lots of different recipes that you can use with cheese sauce, but your bechamel sauce is a base for most sauces. So you have parsley sauce, butter sauce, cheese sauce, pepper sauce. This is cheese sauce. It's nice and thick. I'm going to add some cooked chicken to it. And I'm going to add this to my leeks shortly. I'm just going to go off and cook my leeks now. So I've sweated off my leeks in the pan. And I'm going to add the chicken and cheese sauce mixture. I put a bit of parsley in as well. Now what I do with my parsley, I freeze it. And then when I need to use it, I just chop it up with a pair of scissors and add it to my sauces. And then it doesn't go off. You have it lying around in your fridge. It saves waste. So there's my mixture. Now I've sliced some sweet potato and I've boiled them in the pan separately. And the good thing is about this, any leftovers, put in your little tray, pop it in the freezer if we've any leftovers. Put this in my dish. Might actually do one. So in my little tray. There. Another good buy, my frying pan. That's actually from IKEA. I've got my sweet potato done in slices. It's just going soft a bit now. It's still a bit hot. So all the little bits I'll put on this. So I'm going to put some grated cheese on the top and I'll put it in the oven to cook for about half an hour. And I'm going to serve this up with boiled carrots. Looks delicious. So my pie's had 20 minutes or so in the oven. I've dished it up with some boiled carrots and there you have it. Chicken, leek and sweet potato pie with carrots. And there's 3 of your 5 a day there. Carrots, leeks and potato. Enjoy.